Hello everyone, let's try to solve this question together. So here we have a blood gas report and all results are displayed in red, which means all are alerted. The most likely diagnosis is, so what do you guys think is the correct response here? Okay, the correct response here is chronic respiratory acidosis with correction. So let's walk one by one. So let's start with A. So A says that this is acute respiratory acidosis. So this is in acute, first of all, this doesn't look like acidosis. 7.347 is almost within the normal range. So this is not acidosis. So there's definitely some correction going on. And as you guys noticed here, that CO2 is high. So definitely there is some respiratory acidosis. So that is, as the answer says. And because the reason is chronic, that's why the kidney is trying to compensate by retaining the bicarb. As you see here, the bicarb is high. So now let's go to C. Why this is not acute metabolic acidosis with correction? Is correction, that's true, but in metabolic acidosis, the bicarb would be low, and also in compensation, the CO2 would be low. So that's why these two are not in line with the diagnosis of acute metabolic acidosis. What about chronic metabolic acidosis? Again, same thing. In chronic metabolic acidosis, you will have a CO2 that is low, and also you have a bicarb that is low. So again, respiratory acidosis and metabolic acidosis, these type of questions are very relevant in exams and in practice, and it's very easy to diagnose as long as you know the concept. So again, the easy thing is to look at the pH. First decide this is acidosis or not. Is it alkalosis? Is it compensated? Here, like we all know that this looks like a compensated one because this is almost near normal, and there is a respiratory component, and you see the metabolic component as a compensation. So easy fix, and this way we can get the right answer. So I hope you all have learned something together today, and this is a very nice way of remembering that the compensation between the PCO2 and bicarb is 10:1 in acute and 10:3 in chronic. So here you see it goes in line with the chronic respiratory acidosis. So I hope this makes things more clear. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, and you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.